We have a Dirt Devil Endura Max here. I'm going to really quickly show you how to change the belt. This is the Spin Pro Clean Path. First thing you're going to do is take your vacuum and you're going to tip it up onto its back. Now that you have it tipped up, you're going to see your roller brush right here. What you're going to do is there's a guard that goes over that. You're just going to remove any of the screws that go around that. And then you're also going to see right here is your belt guard. And at the bottom of your belt guard, there is an additional screw. You're going to remove that as well. Next, you're going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to go around and remove all of those screws. When you remove those screws, pay attention to the size of them. Make sure they're all the same size. If there are any that are different sizes, pay attention to where they are and make sure you put them back into that specific spot. And now that we've removed those, we're just going to grab this guard, use two hands, and we are going to pull that out, and we have removed that. And right away I can see here our belt is broken. Well, I had a few spare belts, so I'm just going to take my broken belt and then I'm going to piece that up. I can tell it's bigger than the little one, and it looks like it's going to fit this one. And when I do look at this one, it says 2-fit Dirt Devil style 4 or 5. So you can buy a 2-pack of these. These are less than $4 on Amazon, shipped to you for free. Next thing we need to do is remove this roller brush, and that should pull straight out. Next, we're going to take our belt, and you're going to see this little drive pin. We're going to get this belt wrapped behind there, so it's on there now. And then when we do reinstall this brush, you're going to see that it's kind of angled and slanted. So these are going to have to go in a certain way. If you try to put it in with the fat side, it's not going to fit. So we're going to make sure that those are lined up to fit in appropriately. Now before I put this back in, I'm going to go through and I'm going to pull all these strings off. This is how much stuff I got. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our roller brush, or brush roller, and we're going to put that in there. So it's into place. And then I like to take the short side. Make sure your little plastic tab here is angled correctly so that when you put it in, and then we're going to pull up, and we're going to get this pushed up in here. I like to do the side near the belt first, and then I can use leverage on this other side. Make sure that's the right way, and then we're just going to drop that back in place. And we can spin it and make sure it spins. So we have that. Then all we're going to do is put that guard back in place. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip our wheels up here. And we're going to drop our guard back into place. And now I've put those screws into place, and I'm simply just going to go around and get those all tightened in. Remember, you want them to be snug. Don't over tighten them so that you crack that guard. Once you've got that screwed in, you can stand it up. You're going to plug it in, and then you're going to give her a test run, and that's it. Hopefully this helped you change the belt on your Dirt Devil. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.